Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing a minimal environment and taking the first actionable steps. Install Python 3.10 or newer and activate a virtual environment. This isolates dependencies. Once done, run pip install pandas OpenPixel XLRD pixels to add Excel support. Pandas handles data frames, OpenPixel writes XLSX, XLRD reads older XLS, Pixels reads binary XLSB. Create a small test workbook and a script file in your project folder so you can run the next steps immediately. Now you read and shape the data using pandas. Use pandas. Read Excel with sheet name or sheet name equals none to load one or many sheets. Specify dtype and parse dates to avoid surprises. Once loaded, clean by renaming headers, trimming whitespace, converting types with a stipe, and handling missing values with filna or dropna. Validate changes using df. Info, df, head, and df. Describe to confirm row counts and types. Make sure to save intermediate outputs as CSV for quick inspection before writing back to Excel. Finally, write results and automate the workflow. Open an Excel writer with Engine OpenPixel, write multiple data frames to separate sheets, set index equals false, and save. For automation, wrap your steps into functions, add logging, and schedule with cron or task scheduler. Test manually first. If something goes wrong, check for common issues. File locked by Excel, mismatched Engine OpenPixel versus XLRD, or dtype conversion errors when writing. One quick troubleshooting tip: close Excel, delete temporary, tilde files, and rerun to diagnose locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.